You're hoping for perfect tomatoes, but then this happens. Let's dig into a popular and controversial garden hack. This is the dream, right? A perfect, beautiful tomato straight from your garden. But then, reality hits. You see this dark, ugly spot, and it just ruins the whole thing. Everyone says eggshells are the answer, but is that actually true? Let's see what the science says. And look, if you're frustrated, you are not alone. This is a super common problem for gardeners everywhere. Okay, so this thing has a name, blossom end rot. It's not a disease, it's a calcium problem inside the tomato. And the theory makes sense. Tomatoes need calcium. Eggshells have tons of it. Simple, right? Well, not so simple. There's locked calcium and available calcium. Plants can only use the available kind. And raw eggshells break down so slowly. We're talking years, way too slow for this season's tomatoes. But there's a really cool upgrade to this hack. A little kitchen chemistry can unlock that calcium. It's a simple process. You grind the shells, add some acid, and that fizzing, that's the magic happening. And look at the difference this makes. The new stuff is almost 80 times more soluble. That's huge. Okay, but here's the big plot twist from scientists. What if there was already enough calcium in the soil? It's called the calcium paradox. The calcium is there, but the plant just can't get it to the fruit. So what's the real problem? It's all about water. The plant is sending water to its leaves, not the fruit, which means the eggshell fix might just be a placebo. The plant often fixes itself as it gets older. So yeah, the acid trick is way faster. But are we even solving the right problem? So does that mean the hack is useless? Not at all. It's just a supplement, not the main cure. So here's the real action plan. Number 1, by far, is consistent watering. That's the foundation for everything. And if you do try the hack, please be safe. Sterilize the shells, let it stop fizzing, and dilute it a lot. But we know adding calcium can work. I mean, look at this study. It practically eliminated the problem. So the verdict? The chemistry works, but it's usually treating the wrong thing. It almost always comes back to water.